Good afternoon. Welcome to day 360 at the EMA office with Brian Whitaker and Chairman Kern. And Brian, you have the numbers today.
Yes, sir. So St. Clair County has tested 293,186. That's an increase of 742 since yesterday. For positive test results, they're at 28,432, which is an increase of 43 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 10, up to and over 100. Daily county positivity is 5.8%. For negative totals, they're at 264,754. We are happy to report no new additional deaths in St. Clair County related to COVID-19, so that number does remain at 456. For those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 27,428. For state totals, they've tested 18,679,826. Positive tests received are 1,199,517, which is an increase of 1,182 since yesterday. Unfortunately, the state did announce 5 additional COVID-related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 20,767. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 34 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 2 of those patients are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 76 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 4 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities in outbreak status, we will only announce the changes, and these are cumulative numbers. Brea of Belleville has 105 cases and 8 deaths, and that is an increase of 8 cases for that facility. We like to remind you every day that testing is still so vitally important. We have testing at many pharmacies and express medical facilities throughout the county, and also St. Clair Square is open 7 days a week from 8 to 4. I'll now turn over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Let's look at the zip codes for today. In 62203, we're up 2 COVID positives to 606. 62204, up 1 to 386. 62206, up 2 to 1269. 62207, up 1 to 578. 62208, up 4 to 1593. 62220, up 7 to 2032. 62221, up 4 to 2736. 62223, up 1 to 1714. 62226, up 5 to 3139. 62243, up 1 to 759. 62258, up 1 to 1024. 62260, up 1 to 783. And 62269, up 4 to 3,197. 43 new positives today out of 742 people that got tested brings our county positivity down to 5.8%, which in turn takes our 7-day rolling average in St. Clair County down to 5.5%. Regional positivity also ticked down today to 3.6%, and that's because Bond County called in at 0%. Clinton County was a negative 3.2%. Which meant that they went down 2 positives out of 63 tested. Madison's at 5.8%. Monroe also has a negative number, a negative 1.9% today. Randolph's at 3.7%. St. Clair, 2.2%. And Washington County has a 0% positivity rate. So all our neighboring counties, part of the region, are all doing a good job. Herb, those numbers are looking good. Hospitalizations are the lowest they've been since July 16th.
That's good numbers. And also the other number that's, it's never any really good when we have deaths, but the state only recorded 5 across the whole state of Illinois, and that's probably the lowest I think it's been in the 360 days.
There was a time we recorded 5 deaths in St. Clair County alone.
Right. So, as we've been saying, it's moving in the right direction, slowly but surely, and we just got to keep going that way. More vaccine arrived today, so for those of you, keep watching the health department. That's why they're not with us today. As we said, this is a teamwork, and Mila and Sam and the entire staff at the health department stays on that daily.
And CDC issued new guidance about wearing masks. Once you're vaccinated and the vaccine is in your system for a couple weeks, they've issued guidance as to getting together with family. It all is looking real positive. And I think it gives you a real reason to get vaccinated, because it truly will allow us to get back to normal if we're vaccinated. But until that time, continue to wear the mask, wash your hands, watch your social distance. If you haven't had your shot, certainly be thinking about getting it and planning for that. And hopefully, with more vaccine rolling in, we're going to be there, Herb. We're going to get as many people vaccinated as want to get vaccinated, and then we get our lives back to normal.
And we tell you that each and every day, just how to get signed up. But the other thing we want to caution you, St. Patrick's Day right around the corner. We don't want to let our guard down on that. It's a great day that everybody likes to go out and partake. Just do it very, very cautiously. Remember the social distancing. As the chairman said, wear your mask, wash your hands, and because we don't want to take any steps backwards. The numbers are really looking great. What we've been telling you, that this is what we're looking forward to. And if we continue to be good stewards of this, we're going to continue to get there. Just slowly but surely. Sign up if you're interested in it. We've had 1,309 people since yesterday that filled out the interest form, so the demand is still there.
Demand is there, and science is working. So these numbers are low because people are doing what's required of them, and they're getting vaccinated.
Well, Team St. Clair is...
Team St. Clair is the one that's been with us for 360 days. 5 more days, and it'll be a full year that we've been doing this, but the science is working. The numbers are getting to a place where where at least things are manageable, and it's going to get better and better and better.
Well, and we received quite a few messages today, citizens who went through the site today commenting about how smooth it was, in and out within 20 to 30 minutes. Everybody just really pleased with the setup down there with the National Guard and the medical personnel. So with more vaccine arriving, we'll continue that. So everybody that wants that shot will be able to get it. Please keep watching your emails, check your spam, your junk mail. Some people have called and said they haven't been notified. Continue to check all of that, because once those appointments start opening up, you'll need to go in and get registered once you've signed up. So we'll be back shortly with Cindy to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we'll be back tomorrow for day 361. Everybody have a good evening.
We must find a way to live with COVID-19 until a vaccine is ready. One proven thing we know is that masks do work. By wearing a mask, you can do your part to help your community by limiting the spread of the virus and thus helping our businesses remain open and our hospitals able to handle the capacity. To get through this virus, we must work together as a team, and you should do your part by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and watching your social distancing.
Buenas tardes, hoy tenemos a Brian Whitaker del condado que nos informó los nuevos casos de St. Clair County, que son 293,186 personas examinadas, con un incremento de 742 nuevos exámenes desde ayer. 28,432 casos positivos, con aumento de 43 nuevos casos de ayer, hombres y mujeres entre la edad de 10 a 100 años. 264,754 casos negativos, con 456 muertes. Y 27,428 personas han completado la cuarentena requerida por el Departamento de Salud. Los números estatales son 8,679,826 personas examinadas, con 1,199,517 casos positivos, con un incremento de 1,182 nuevos casos de ayer, con 20,767 muertes, con un incremento de 5 nuevas muertes de ayer. Y en los hospitales de St. Clair County tenemos a 34 personas hospitalizadas y 12 ventiladores, 76 hospitalizadas en la región 4 y 4 ventiladores. Y en las clínicas a plazo largo hubo cambios en Brea de Belleville con 8 nuevos casos. Y marcar nos dio los códigos postales con casos positivos que son 62203, 606 casos con aumento de 2, 62204, 386 casos con aumento de 1, 62206, 1269 casos con aumento de 2, 62207, 578 casos con aumento de 1, 62208, 1593 casos con aumento de 4, 62220, 2032 casos con aumento de 7, 62221, 2736 casos con aumento de 4, 62221, 2736 casos con aumento de 4, 62223, 1714 casos con aumento de 1, 62226, 3139 casos con aumento de 5, 62243, 759 casos con aumento de 1, 62258, 1024 casos con aumento de 1, 62260, 783 casos con aumento de 1, 62269, 3197 casos con aumento de 4. En la región 4 estamos al 5.5% y en el condado estamos al 5.8% de casos positivos. Y finalmente se les recomienda que todos sigan usando su cubrebocas. Muchas gracias.